What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to burn down a list of 7 of the flat-out fastest-running handguns on the market right now. Modern pistol engineering has hit a new gear. We've seen the competition world drag red dots kicking and screaming into the mainstream for duty and carry. The recoil mitigation systems we're seeing today are just leaps and bounds beyond what we had. What does that mean for you? It means guns that track flatter guns that have resets you can barely feel, and cycle speeds that let you run strings of fire faster than we ever thought possible, even just a decade ago. So let's get into it. And stick around till the end. I want you to hit the comments and tell me which pistol on this list or off this list you think is the undisputed speed king. Springfield Armory Echelon. First up, the Springfield Armory Echelon. This is a 9mm pistol, feeds from 17 or 20 round magazines. Now, the foundation here is what Springfield calls the Central Operating Group, or COG. Think of it as a removable serialized chassis. This design lets you swap out the entire grip module, meaning you can dial in the fit and feel until it feels like it was custom molded to your specific hand. But what really puts the Echelon in the fast category is the recoil management. Springfield got the grip angle right. They engineered a very low bore axis, and they paired it with a recoil spring assembly that just works. These things combine to create a pistol that barely moves. The muzzle just stays down. You can dump an entire magazine, and that red dot just flutters. It doesn't jump. Right out of the box, it is optics ready. Springfield used their variable interface system, the VIS. It's a clever pin set system that lets you mount most popular red dots directly to the slide. No more hunting for the right adapter plate for every single dot. You add a very clean trigger and a short, positive reset. And the Echelon just feels like it's pushing you to shoot faster. It's a full-size duty gun that runs with the soul of a competition race gun. Tisas PX-57. Next on the list, the Tisas PX-57. When this pistol dropped in 2024, it turned a lot of heads at the range, not just because of the interesting chambering, but because of the sheer value it brought to the table. It is chambered in 5.7 by 28mm, and if you haven't shot that round, it is a zippy little cartridge. It is blistering fast, shoots laser flat, and has almost zero felt recoil. It ships with a 20-round magazine as standard. That means you can run long, complex strings of fire on a stage or in a drill without ever breaking your grip to reload. The polymer frame keeps the whole package lightweight. It operates on a delayed blowback system, which is what makes that recoil impulse so soft. The muzzle just doesn't rise. The trigger is surprisingly clean, the brake is predictable, and the grip ergonomics feel very natural, which, let's be honest, is not something you can say about most 5.7 pistols. The big story here, the takeaway, is that Tisas is giving you 99% of the performance shooters expect from the FN57. At a price point that's often half the cost. It is quick, it is steady, and it absolutely runs like a dedicated speed gun. FN510 Tactical. Alright, now let's talk about adding horsepower to the speed equation. The FN510 Tactical. This pistol, which came out in 2023, is proof positive that you can run a heavy-hitting 10mm fast and stay on the glass. It is built on a full-sized polymer frame. You get a 4.7 1-inch barrel, and yes, it is threaded right from the factory. And capacity? This is where it gets serious. 15 rounds standard or a 22-round extended magazine. We are talking 22 rounds of 10mm. That is just a ton of firepower. The pistol is optics ready, using FN's low-profile mounting system. It comes standard with suppressor height night sights, which are perfect for co-witness. And every single control on this gun is fully ambidextrous. But where this pistol truly shines is in the recoil management. FN engineered a very stout spring system. The frame has just enough mass to soak up recoil, and the grip texture, it just anchors the pistol in your hand without feeling like you're holding a cheese grater. That 3-part combo tames full-power 10mm loads, and it keeps the gun running flat and fast, even on rapid follow-up shots. The 510 Tactical, it blends raw speed with precision and pure, raw force. This is a package that is ready for serious backcountry defense or heavy-duty use. Walther PDP Match. Taking the number 4 spot is the Walther PDP Match. And let me be clear, this is not just another version of the PDP. This pistol is purpose-built from the ground up for shooters who are obsessed with speed. Walther released this model in late 2023, And they basically took everything that made the PDP series great and just turned the dial to 11. It's a 9mm built on a full-size frame with a 5-inch barrel. That extra barrel length gives you a longer sight radius. It improves the overall balance, and it really helps flatten out the recoil impulse. Capacity is 18 rounds standard. But the trigger, oh man, the trigger. Walther put one of the slickest striker-fired triggers I have ever felt on a production gun. The take-up is minimal. The break is like a glass rod. And the reset it's just lightning fast. This trigger dares you to try and outrun it. The grip texture is just as good. They call it the performance duty texture, and it bites into your hand. It stays planted even when your hands get sweaty running back-to-back drills. You add in that optics-ready slide, the deep serrations, and you have a pistol that is just fast out of the holster. It is easy to track, and it's a killer in competition. I've run this gun hard on steel targets. And let me tell you, the PDP Match doesn't just keep up with you. It feels like it's pulling you, making you go faster. The balance, the soft recoil, it just keeps that red dot locked exactly where you want it. Beretta 92 XI Squalo. Sliding into the 5th spot is some pure Italian aggression. The Beretta 92 XI Squalo. This is new for 2024, and I promise you this is not your grandpa's 92. This is a dedicated single-action-only race gun just wearing the skin of that classic legend. Squalo means shark in Italian, and that name is a perfect fit. It's chambered in 9mm, and it was designed for one thing: speed. The heart and soul of this pistol is the brand new Extreme S trigger system. It is sharp, the travel is short, and the reset is so fast it honestly feels like the gun is resetting before you've even thought about it. But Beretta did not stop with the trigger. You get a full-length dust cover with a Picatinny rail for your light. You get a fiber optic front sight paired with a fully adjustable rear, and the whole pistol has this aggressive blacked-out race gun look with these red-accented controls that just scream performance. But the real surprise is just how smooth this thing runs. That full steel frame combined with the single-action-only mechanics it tames recoil down to almost nothing. Transitions from target to target, they just feel effortless. The gun stays flat. It stays locked in. And it runs like a custom $5,000 race gun straight out of the box. Daniel Defense H9. At number 6, we have one of the wildest comeback stories I've seen in this industry. The Daniel Defense H9. You heard me right. Daniel Defense bought the rights, the DNA of the old Hudson H9, and they completely rebuilt it from the ground up for 2024. It is still a striker-fired 9mm. But it has the grip, the feel, the ergonomics of a classic 1911. And that combination creates a pistol that feels familiar and completely new all at the same time. The real secret sauce here is the bore axis. It is insanely low. It's practically level with the top of your hand. So, instead of getting muzzle flip, you get recoil that drives straight back into the meat of your hand. It just pulses. This makes rapid fire and target transitions just buttery smooth. You're running a 15-round magazine. It's got a great flat-face trigger that breaks clean and resets fast. The slide serrations are deep, aggressive, and the aluminum frame adds just enough weight to soak up recoil without making the gun feel heavy on the belt. But what really makes this gun shine is just how naturally it points and handles. The first time you pick it up, the first time you pull that trigger, it just clicks. You instantly understand that this gun was built for speed. Daniel Defense didn't just revive the H9. They perfected it. They gave it real, functional teeth. It's fast, it's precise, and it has more than enough personality to stand out in a sea of polymer clones. Glock 49, MOS. And closing out our list at number 7 is the Glock 49, MOS. And yeah, I know it's another Glock. But this one earns its spot because it takes the proven formula and it tweaks it in a way that just flat out works for speed. This was shown off at SHOT Show 2024, and what it is, it's a Glock 19 frame, mated to a Glock 17 length slide. Now that hybrid Handgun setup, it changes the whole dynamic. You get the compact concealable grip of the shorter G19 frame, but you get the benefits of that longer G17 slide. That means a longer sight radius, more weight out front which steadies the muzzle, and it makes recoil control noticeably better when you're running the gun hard. It's a 9mm, it takes standard 15-round mags, and of course being an MOS model, it is built for an optic. You throw a red dot on top of that longer slide, and your sight recovery, that Dot tracking it just gets even faster. The trigger is pure, predictable Glock. No surprises. It works every time, and the aftermarket is wide open if you want to tune it. But even stock right out of the box, this gun is fast, smooth, and controllable. The cycle speed is clean. The return to target is quick. And the balance of this pistol makes it shoot so much flatter than people expect. Look on paper, it sounds like a weird parts bin build. But in your hands on the range, it runs like a tuned-up race gun. The Glock 49. It isn't flashy. It's not chasing any gimmicks. It is pure, unadulterated Glock reliability that has been refined and optimized for pure speed. And there you have it. 7 pistols that are absolutely dominating the speed category right now. Every single one built for one mission, to help you shoot faster, flatter, and more accurately than the guy in the next bay. From those zippy 5.7 platforms, to the 10mm heavy hitters and all the finely tuned 9mm blasters in between. This list is proof that handgun technology is not standing still. But now it's your turn. I want to hear from you. Which of these 7 would you pick to burn down a competition stage? What did I leave off the list? Drop it all down in the comments. I read every single one. If you got anything out of this, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Share this video with that one buddy. You know, the one who's still carrying a J-frame and saying, 6 shots is enough for anyone. As always, stay sharp, stay safe, and keep sending it.